Menta kasngi thoding ka artarik rempang u konrat kongkal sangma, menteri rangba ka jela, ulahiar sya Riangdo ban Plie Mawnongrim, nakabenta ban penpai ka Madan elekai, jong ka shenong Riangdo. Hagate kasngi uba syakliar warjeri, menteri ka tanat sports, uba Methodius dekar MLA ka Rambrai, uba Methodius dekar MLA ka Motion Road, URG Momin MLA ka Rambrai jerngam, ki officer ka distrik baki pajba, kilah poy hagate kasngi. Kate ka Madan kade ka banengkong West Khasi Hills, banyo ajing Arab ban siang do Phlang Plastik, hakaba ka sarkar kelamang kumba sipoklur tingka.
But for 52 years, there was no investment or no work that was done to improve the infrastructure of this particular ground. But it is very heartening to see that within 1 year of becoming your MLA, within 1 year of Bashakliar becoming the sports minister, close to about 9 plus, that means almost 10 crores is being sanctioned to improve this particular field. And this is a great blessing for the people of this area. I was speaking to the Honorable Minister and he has given me an assurance that within the next 18 months, before 2025, September 2025, before it, we will be back here to inaugurate this particular stadium and this particular field. The work will be completed in 18 months, less than 18 months. And friends, like this stadium and this ground that we are improving, we are doing this across the state. You will be surprised to know that this government has made more stadiums and more infrastructures for sports in the last 5 to 6 years than what was made in the last 45 years put together. And this is a reflection of the commitment that we have to the youth of our state, the commitment that we have towards the sports, commitment that we have to ensure that we are able to provide the opportunity for our youngsters so that they can follow their passion, so that they can excel in the sports that they like, so that they can make themselves, their families and our state proud. Khelo India Youth Football Championship. Meghalaya players had proved that they are the best in the country. And it's very proud for each one of us that they defeated Punjab in the finals 2-0 and brought the cup back to us here in our state. It's a great proud moment for us. We should all congratulate them. We should all be proud. And this is exactly what we want to do. Our children, our youth are second to none. We as a government believe that we need to provide the platform, provide the infrastructure, provide the policy, provide the financial support so that these youngsters can again and again in different disciplines bring laurels for our state. Like that, investments are being made in many other disciplines. I'm happy to also inform you that Meghalaya has had 5 Meghalaya Games in the last 52 years. 5 times only. But out of these 5 Meghalaya Games, one was held in 2001 or 2002, second was in 2004. But apart from that, the rest of the Meghalaya Games have been held during the time of this MDA 1 and MDA 2 government, And I have given the assurance to our youngsters that we will be having the Meghalaya Games every year from now on. And next year it will be in Jowai in Gentia Hills. After Jowai, Gentia Hills, we never know. It may even come to West Khasi Hills. We don't know yet. But let us try to work and create the infrastructure. The reason why we are shifting our games from one region to another is also so that we can create the infrastructure to prepare for the games and then leave it behind as a legacy for the youth to then utilize it so that they can further excel in the sports that they like. So Meghalaya Games has been a turning point where today our youth are very much excited about the games. On the 5th of this month, all the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games will be felicitated by our Honorable Minister and myself. We will be giving cash awards to all the medal winners, and we will also be announcing other financial packages in terms of even giving scholarship and different kind of support to the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games. And this is being done to provide that financial support so that they can invest in their games, but also to give them the feeling and their families the feeling that by playing sports, it's not just about spending time playing some game, but actually they will see the real benefit coming out by them allowing their children to play these sports, by the fact that once they get medals, they will be getting cash awards and even scholarships in different ways.